Good day everyone. Welcome to Operian Natsarim channel. Our videos for today is regarding the Shabbat day. Let's go! The Shabbat day is a weapon for Yahuwah's children. Jubilim or Jubilees chapter 2 verse 29 in context. And everyone who observe it and guards, in Hebrew shamar, Shabbat thereon from all his work will be set apart, in Hebrew kodash. In your version, holy and blessed throughout all day like unto us. Guard in Hebrew is shamar, meaning to keep, guard, watch, or preserve. It's often used in contexts like keeping commands or law, guarding or protecting people or places, preserving something. In scriptural context, shamar, guard, conveys rather a sense of responsibility, care, and diligence. Shamot or Exodus chapter 31 verse 13 says, "Speak also to the children of Israel, saying, Surely my Shabbats you shall keep, for it is a sign between me and you throughout your generation, that you may know that I am Yahuwah who sacrifices you." This verse highlights that Sabbath or Shabbat as a sign of Allah's covenant with his people and a reminder of his sanctifying presence in their lives. In Isaiah or Yeshayahu chapter 58 verse 13 to 14, "If you turn away your foot from the Shabbat, from doing your pleasure on my Kodash day," means set apart, "and call the Shabbat a delight, the Kodash of Yahuwah honorable, and shall honor him, not doing your own ways, nor finding your own pleasure, nor speaking your own words, then shall you delight yourself in Yahuwah, and I will cause you to ride upon the high places of the earth, and feed you with the heritage of Jacob," means Jacob, "your father, for the mouth of Yahuwah has spoken it." Keeping the Shabbat is a privilege and an honor. Keeping the Shabbat protects you. It is a sign and a zeal unto Yahuwah. Keeping the Shabbat day is what his Yakad or beloved son, Yahushua HaMashiach, did, and because we believe in him, we should honor him by keeping the Shabbat, just as he did. Have blessed day everyone, and remember to keep his fourth commandments and honor his Shabbat day, not world Shabbat day, but Yahushua's Shabbat day, by doing what makes him happy, not ourselves. It is a law for those who keep the Shabbat to be blessed, standing on his principles, standing on his moral, standing on his business, and tearing down all deception. Hallelujah! To the Rabbi Yahushua HaMashiach. Sila!